Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to get Gcash on Scatter, so let's start. Unfortunately, as of August 2025, Gcash has removed all gaming top-up and withdrawal services from its platform, including access to online gambling apps and Scatter games. It completes with the memorandum from Bank of Central Philippines. Therefore, you cannot use Gcash on Scatter or any other app in-game feature directly through the Gcash app anymore. The services are no longer available, so you can still use Gcash for other services such as sending money, paying bills, or linking as payment method for apps like Google Play or Apple. So guys, unfortunately, as you can see, we can use it, but well, I hope this information helps you guys. If you need more information, you can visit the Gcash Help Center to contact the service customer there. But instead of this, well, if this information helps you, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.